Good morning, everyone. It's my 13th day of 75-day challenge, and today I didn't wake up on time because it's Sunday today. So my routines changes on especially Sunday. So let me share my routines for every Sunday. So on Sunday I do not wake up on as usual time. I just sleep. Okay, and but I do not skip my exercises. I came here at 7 and I do, but today I came here at 7:30, so it's okay. I came here, I completed my running and exercise, and I just completed my meditation as well. As so overall I did great. So, and I also wanted to share, yesterday I was reading Gita and I found a lot of time few words repetitive. For example, belief and believe. And also one of my friend, he got confused by these two words. So I wanted to explain what's the difference between these two words. And it's very important to understand, because of these two words you can understand like what their meanings, and you can use while speaking in English, so while having conversation. So let me explain. So first let's understand this belief, because we know this word and we have used so many times from our childhood. For example, believe means you trust someone, or you know something is real, means kind of proof. That's how people believe on each other, right? For example, I can see my friend, then that's why I'm saying I can believe on that person or something. And belief means, instead of that belief, and try to understand my voice, my pronunciation. Believe and belief are both are different, but the meaning are same, but there is a slightly difference between them. Belief also means believing on someone, having a faith, but it's imaginable things. For example, there is a person, but he is not existing in this world, but I'm believing on that person. That person could be a god, that person could be a ghost, and that person could be a just imaginable things. For example, he exists in my mind, in my dreams only, but I believe on that person or that thing. For example, belief could be any ritual, belief could be any dream, anything belief could be. So this is the difference between them. Means believe means something you have proof to believe on that thing or that person. Belief means you don't have any proof, but you believe because you need, it's give you hope. So this is the difference between belief and belief. And in Gita they have also explained what the difference between belief and belief. So I thought it's interesting, that's why I shared here, because sometimes people they use but they don't understand, they get confused between these two words, but the difference is only between that imagination thing and with proof things, and that's it. So bye, see you tomorrow. Bye.